Welcome guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can fix connection problem with your Edifier True Wireless Sound earbuds. Okay, so as you can see, when I try to select them from available devices, I will get notification that unfortunately the pairing is rejected by Edifier earbuds. And how to fix it? I can recommend you to simply go back for the main settings, then power off Bluetooth. And right now, open the case of your Edifier, take them out of this case, then click and hold them together, and you have to keep holding until one of the indicator will start blinking on the red and the blue. It means that right now earbuds are in the pairing mode and are visible to other devices. So just put them back, click to pair new device, and when they pop on the list, just select them. Right now accept pairing request. And as you can see right now, we successfully connect them with our smartphone. So one more time, just power off Bluetooth on your phone, put them to the case, then remove and activate pairing mode manually. That's my way to fix this problem. Leave me in the comment if it works. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.